Thank you very much. Isn't it a lovely day to be in Cardiff Bay? Make the most of it. Tom, is it a lovely day to be driving all the way from Newcastle in the sun? Answer that.
It is not, especially when your car doesn't have any air conditioning. It's hot. It was hot. Really, really hot.
The traffic jams helped though, didn't they? They cooled you down, didn't they?
Yeah, I definitely got more calm in the traffic jams. I really did feel better while I was stuck behind a lorry for 45 miles. But we're here now, so it's all okay.
What are we going to play for the good people now, Tom?
Just want to keep making me move. This next one is called the Manannan Trilogy. It's all about the mythical Celtic sea god that lives on top of a huge mountain that happens to be called Barul on the Isle of Man.
We're going to follow that up with a few traditional Manx dance tunes as well. very much. Lovely to be playing in Cardiff for you this evening. We were in Newcastle last night, as you may have picked up from what we were saying earlier about our drive, our sticky drive in the sunshine. And we were in Glasgow the night before that. We've been lots of places at the moment. Busy. And we're in the process of launching our new album, which we have with us this evening. It's self-titled, it's called Barul, which is the name of the group. And it's all music from traditional and contemporary folk music from the Isle of Man. Just in case anybody's not sure where that is, Tom, do a little introduction to the Isle of Man.
The Isle of Man is a small place in between Scotland and Ireland and England, right in the very middle. And it's not part of the UK, it's not in the EU. Got our own government, the oldest, longest running, continuously running government in the whole world. And if you imagine Adam over there on the bouzouki as England, and me as Ireland, and Scotland, this thing with stairs up there somewhere, Jamie's the Isle of Man.
Right, okay, that's a great description.
So as long as you all understand, that's the main thing.
And just in case you're wondering, yes, that is the Manx flag behind Tom there. He likes to have it around in case he starts to feel homesick. But we're going to play you a couple of tunes now that aren't actually from the Isle of Man. These are Irish polkas for you. So plenty of space if anyone fancies starting a set. A little dance. Probably unlikely, I think. You're looking pretty chilled and relaxed there.
Thank you.
Thanks very much. We're going to carry on now with a Manx song called Sheilong Honnick Me, sung in Manx Gaelic. And I'm actually from Bridgend, so it's a bit of a struggle for me to sing in Manx Gaelic. But luckily, my wife's family all speak it, so I've been doing a bit of vocal coaching with them. In fact, Greg Jocken, who taught me this song, my father-in-law, he's a prominent folk singer and promoter of Manx culture, music, dance on the Isle of Man, has been for many years, and we were lucky to have him guest singing a couple of songs on the album with us, but unfortunately we can't carry him around with us everywhere we go, so there's no room in the car. So we've taken on ourselves to sing these songs in his absence anyway, so hope you enjoy this one. This is a song, a lot of Manx songs feature the sea, and this one is no exception. It's Sheilong Honnick Me actually means a ship I saw sailing, so and it's about two lovers torn apart by the sea, basically. The usual sort of tragic folk song.
Oh, West Alias, down frail
Thank you. I can hear a version of that. In fact, you can download that song for free on our website. We've got leaflets and cards and things. It's barultrio.com, and yeah, you can download that song from the album free of charge on the website. It's a little taster. It's also free. You can take it away for free today because it's on the CD, and the CD is £10. The track's free. Go figure that one out.
And if you do happen to buy a CD this evening, it comes with a free sticker worth 35 pence. So I think it's worth spending £10 on a good CD if you get a 35 pence sticker for free.
We're going to play Tom's favourite tune now. This is a Manx tune that goes with a dance by the same name called Unisac Vona. We've got our own fun little version that we call Europop Vona. We're hoping to put a Manx bid in for the Eurovision Song Contest next year. Watch out.
Going to Ibiza next week as well. Thank you very much. Like I say, we are going to Ibiza next week.
Okay, we're going to play a new set. This is one we've only played twice in public so far. And it's one of our favourite marches, which is a Scottish tune called Fingal's Cave. And we're going to play 3 jigs that are the Irish jigs, really. 2 of them were learned from the playing of Jackie Daly, who's a well-known Irish button accordionist. And the middle tune is called Maria Clark's, written after Maria, because, well, she wrote it, basically. So some nice, more lively tunes for you, for that Friday feeling.
much. We're going to fire on just now with a set we call Alan Barbara. Now, this comes from the first tune we play in the set is a tune our very good friend David Kilgallen from the Isle of Man wrote called Barbara Allen. And I think there's a famous folk song called Alan Barbara, and he just turned the music upside down, read what he saw, and now it's Barbara Allen. That's what I like to believe anyway. And then we're going to fire into a couple of reels. All these tunes are written by Manx folk, but they're new like original tunes. So that's the first one, Alan Barbara, and then the second one's called Nelson Tonic. Nelson's Tonic, written by a great flute player called Penna Cubley, and the last one is a tune called The Good Lads that I wrote myself.
That's right, the last tune written by Tom Collister here on the fiddle. Regarding that first tune about Dave's tune, the Barbara Allen turning the music upside down, I'm a bit sceptical about that. I think what happened is he tried that, he thought that'll be great, it's be experimental and come up with something interesting, realised it sounded terrible, and then just wrote a tune. That's what I think happened. Thanks very much. Cheers. Well, we're coming to the end of the concert. We've got 2 more for you. This next one, we're going to encourage you to join in. And it's a set of 4 Manx jigs. We've got loads of jigs on the Isle of Man, much like we have in Wales actually as well. Not so many reels, but plenty of jigs. So here's 4 for you. Finishing off with one of our favourites, which is the wedding tune that's played for a dance called the Wedding Dance. In fact, it's called Karafuzi, which means wedding tune. It's a bit joining, you can have a bit of fun with this one. We're going to shout out a launch code, so to speak, during the set. Between the penultimate and the final tunes, we're going to shout out the launch code. Today's launch code, Tom, is...
Engage. Do you get that?
I'm not sure everybody heard that. Not sure Morris heard that one. Say it again.
So today's launch code is engage.
Engage. So when you hear engage, what do you have to do, Tom?
When you hear engage, you're going to stand up, stand on the seats, kick over all the chairs and go wild.
Until what point?
Until the end. I don't mean the end of the tune, I just mean the end in general.
So the set is called Engage. Well, thank you for amusing us there. You got the idea. What you guessed that Tom wasn't actually asking you to destroy the place, and just wanted you to clap along. So that's fantastic. We're going to finish off now, though. So thank you for listening. One final reminder: we do have our brand new album available for sale this evening with a free sticker, and got a couple of books and other CDs as well. Go on, Tom.
The sticker is worth 35p. Alone, without the CD. So technically, well, just buy the CD and get the sticker.
Do look out for us in the future. We've got a website, all the usual things, and we're playing in South Wales in June again, but a bit further west at the Gower Folk Festival on the 16th of June. That is. So if you know anyone down that way, or you're looking for a festival to go to, I thoroughly recommend that one. It's a full weekend of fantastic folk music, and we'll be there. So we'll leave you with this set of tunes. It's a new one. First tune's one of mine, and then second tune's by our good friend Callum Stewart, who's a great flute player. And the last tune is an old Scottish one called The Hurricane, which you'll probably see why. So thanks again. We've been Barul. This is Adam Rhodes on the bouzouki. So Tom Collister on the fiddle. And I'm Julian Smith on the accordion. Cheers.